Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to change inbox type Gmail on mobile. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile, I just opened Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account. I just want to convert the inbox type. So this is a primary, and I want the important read and unread. Everything should be there. So inbox type I want to change. So on your right hand side corner, you will find option called three dots in a sandwich menu. Just hit the button. Just go to settings option. Once you click a settings option, there will be a settings over there. So I just select the account. So this is my account over here. So here there will be inbox type. So this is a default inbox is here. So you can choose important first and unread, as well as start first, priority, inbox, everything. So I just want to choose a important first, so that important mail will be displayed over here, otherwise unread will be displayed over here, as you see here. So in my message, so unread everything will be displayed over here. So I want to convert this one into a important one. So just go to settings option and I just choose the account. So just choose a inbox type into important means, so automatically it will move into important. So what are the important files in there, it will be displayed over here. So simply you can convert your inbox type into a different model, otherwise you can just click here. So you can find out the importance. So there are the importance are there, as well as the outbox, draft, everything will be there. So you can choose according to your needs, and you can identify and you can able to see. So this is a simple and easiest way to change your inbox type into your mobile phone. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.